Alright, so here's our raisin bread.
Let's cut it open and see.
So I cut it, when I cut it, I always cut it on its side. So I'm not, like when you cut it down, it smashes it, you see? So I don't usually cut it this way because it smashes it down. I usually flip it. And look, I was just saying where the lines from the cooling rack was on it. So I guess I'll just cut in the line. Maybe it'll be nice. This is where we see it. If it really has air bubbles or not. Okay, here we go. I'll let you see it first. Ready? Tell me.
Ooh.
What does it look like?
It's beautiful.
Ooh, nice swirls.
Yeah.
And it's 100% whole wheat. Look at how soft. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yay! Oh my gosh, the swirls are perfect. I'm reusing my butter container, so I have a bunch of butter in here. But it's Kerrygold butter. It's just not, it's not as easy to move around when in the winter.
Yeah.
But still. Should we heat it up? Or it's fine, it's pretty cold, huh? I mean, it's nice and soft. Looks like a cinnamon roll. Doesn't it? I'm gonna take the middle.
You put extra cinnamon in it.
I did.
Ready? You already ate it.
I took a piece.
Let's go.
Look how soft it is. I can't believe it's 100% wheat.
That's a good one.
Tastes like a cinnamon roll. But it's not a cinnamon roll. It's like really good raisin bread that you would get from a farmer's market. I like the extra cinnamon sugar I put in. Because the recipe calls for less. And when I made it last time, I felt like it wasn't enough. So we added a little bit more, which we'll put on there, of what I did. And I think it was perfect. But I'm mostly impressed with the swirls. Because I find when I make it homemade, I have a hard time getting the swirls.
It looks perfect. Looks like a commercial.
And it's
good.
soft.
You did good.
Fresh milk. I think we should eat that piece. Wait, let's butter it. My butter's a little hard. That's alright. That piece in there.
Okay, warm it up a little bit. It'll be much.
Oh, in the
maybe
morning,
toast it.
I'm going to have it for breakfast. And it's good for you because it's fresh ground with everything. The endosperm, has all three of it. The good stuff.
It's like dessert.
Whoops.
That's a good one. A good bread.
Yeah. This would be a good gift for people.
What do you give
You
it?
think? I give it 10. This is a good one.
Yeah, it's a
Because
10.
it's usually 100% wheat is a heavy loaf. And usually you're not a fan. You're like, I want the white, like fluffy, light. This has it all.
I wouldn't know. I would not know if that was. Here's yours. I wouldn't know that was wheat. You didn't tell me.
But you think I just colored it for the color?
I guess I wouldn't pay attention.
But it has good flavor. Like
I guess it looks brown like wheat bread, but
it's got that good flavor of you can taste the different, like wheat. It's more fulfilling. Like it's not so airy, but it's airy. But it has like that full flavor. I don't know how to say it.
it's good.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a winner. Good job.
Yay!
You're mastering the craft.
You guys can do it too. It's just finding the right recipes. You can make this. You watch the way I did it, do it exactly. You can do it too. That was a good treat.
Good treat.
10.
10. That was a 10 for me. That was a good piece of bread.
He's hard to impress too.
I didn't think anything I could make any better.
He always used to say, I kept playing with wheat. And you're like, just don't make the wheat anymore. I don't like the wheat because a lot of the wheat stuff I made is very heavy. Right?
Well,
and I'm like, no, I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep doing it. I'm going to keep doing it. And I've been doing it and doing it and doing it. This is a really good recipe, which we'll put down on the link below. And it's from another lady that I found. She's really good. All her recipes are really good. Highly recommend it. And I made her tortillas and her loaf bread. Should we get it? Bring it over just so I can show them real quick. I just want to show you real quick. It's another recipe of hers. And it's just a regular Pullman. No, I just need the bread. Just give me the bread. No, I don't want that. It's a regular Pullman loaf. See how it cooks? Like, I want to show them what it looks like. And this one too is made with 100% whole wheat. Isn't that cool? Look.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Look at that. Your kids will eat it. It's soft. Look at that. Soft.
Looks good.
So that's another one on the website that I like. And you like it too, huh?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. We can always do an, if you want a regular sandwich loaf, we might do this recipe.
It's good bread.
It is really good. I'm going to share some with somebody. All right.
All right.
Until next week.